So when charging the car, there is actually a hook right here to hold the cables. So you can go ahead and hook it over this connection to keep the covers from dangling on the paint of the car. Here's another interesting feature I found, that with the car in the idle state, if you hold down the turn signal for 2 seconds, you can turn on the parking light on each side of the vehicle. So in this case, that side. We'll go around to the back. Like you see, just the one side is on, not both sides. And of course, I can do the opposite side. Now the other side is on, front and back as well, on just one side. So it's a way to turn on the parking lights one side at a time if for some reason you want to do that. Here's another feature which I just recently found out, was if you press the 1 and the 8 at the same time, I'm going to do that. Then this screen will come up where you can reset all of your programmable buttons. So that's a way to reprogram them if you don't know how to do it. Here's another interesting feature that I discovered that can be very helpful. If you turn on the automatic cruise control where it matches the distance, it can be a problem sometimes if the weather condition is not great. Turns out if you press and hold one of the distance control buttons, and I will press and hold it down now, that you can actually disable it so it acts like a regular cruise control, where it doesn't try to hold the distance to the car in front of you. So very useful if conditions are not great for whatever reason, to be able to do that. Here's a quick overview of some of the most useful voice commands. FM radio, frequency 88.5.
You're listening to 88.5 FM.
Map facing north.
View facing north.
Stop guidance.
Route guidance is already deactivated.
Trip computer.
Trip computer. Use the controller to proceed.
Range extender.
Range extender. Use the controller to proceed.
Here's another really interesting feature that a viewer pointed out to me. And if you turn the car on, then turn it off, and press up, on, and hold the windshield wiper leveler, the windshield wipers will go to the vertical position for changing the windshield wipers. Very handy, and I was opening the hood to make sure I didn't damage the hood. You also use it if in freezing ice conditions, where you can remove the blades from your window so they don't freeze to the window. And to turn them back down, turn the car back on, push down on the lever, and you're back to your normal situation.